Managing your CFCU credit and debit cards has never been easier and more accessible than it is now. After navigating to card management and accepting the terms and conditions, you will see all of your CFCU credit and debit cards in one place for easy management. Select the card you would like to manage from the wallet carousel by clicking the next card in your desktop or swiping to the next card on your phone or tablet. Edit the name of your cards for easier identification by using the pencil icon. To help prevent fraud, you can now turn your card on and off by using the toggle switch. Easily report your card lost or stolen and order a replacement card. Replace worn or broken cards by selecting Order a Replacement. Set up travel notices to help avoid any disruptions on your card while you're traveling. Cancel your card at any time. Please note, selecting Cancel Card will not prompt a replacement card to be issued. Stay on top of your card management by setting up card alerts. With card alerts, you can receive a text, email, or push notification when your card is used. You can even customize alerts by a certain dollar amount, transaction, or merchant type, and even block transactions if they meet the criteria you've set. Choose how you would like to receive your alerts by selecting the channel in the delivery options. For more details on card management and other helpful tutorial videos, please visit our website at christianfinancialcu.org.